Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you what a typical Sunday looks like for me as I get ready for the week ahead. On this Sunday morning, I needed to do dishes and get the kitchen together. I had already made my husband's juice for the morning, so I had to clean up the juicer and put everything away. Here I emptied out the dishwasher, and what you don't see on camera is I tripped over the door as well. But I also needed to finish pouring the juice into bottles so that my husband could have it during the day. You may be surprised, but I really mostly use the dishwasher as a glorified dish rack. I just don't like having dirty dishes in there until the dishwasher is full to run a wash. So I just hand wash the dishes and put them in there to dry. And after the juice bottles are full, then I carry them over to the refrigerator to keep until my husband grabs them. There was plenty of laundry to do on this day. I ran the washer and the dryer all day long. It was very productive. I have to take this piece of equipment to a golf course so we can be ready for work tomorrow. It's a Sunday and it's early, about 8:15, and we are headed out. We need to get some equipment to a golf course for work tomorrow. I have a really long to-do list today. I want to get everything I can done for the week ahead because next week is a busy week out in the field. Here you get a view of the sky today. It looks heavy with rain. I'm headed south and that's where it looks like the rain is. And hopefully we won't get rained on. But we've been having rain every day. When we went to Israel, they told us that when they get rain, they consider that blessings from heaven. So I'm trying to look at rain as blessings from heaven, which is a nice way to think about it. We hit some rain, but we're through the worst part of it, but it wasn't nearly as bad as it looked in the clouds. I'm at the golf course now and I unloaded my equipment, and as you can see, there's no rain. We stopped at Starbucks on the way back, got a cup of coffees and shared a bagel on the road, but I'm working on laundry. I got home, switched out the dryer, got another load in the washing machine, and it's going good. It's about almost 11, so I'm going to try to get some more things done. I need to go shopping for some things I'll need this week. I just pulled out the next load of laundry out of the dryer and I'm going to drop it where it goes, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with the load that's coming out of the washer. The load that's coming out of the washer now is jeans. So what I do is I don't put them in the dryer unless I have to. I set them outside to dry, so because they'll last longer that way. This may sound ridiculous, but I like to hang the pants outside. And I don't use a clothesline. I just hang them on the outdoor furniture. And I put them in the sun. As long as I don't let them get rained on, it's good. And before you know it, they're dry. Not all of them will be in the sun, but that's okay. They'll still get dry with the breeze as the day progresses. The hotter the day, usually the quicker they dry, unless it's real humid. What I'll also do is come out here and rotate them, put some in the sun, put some over here, taking the ones that are dry as they dry up. I also don't put t-shirts in the dryer unless they're old and worn. I will take them out, hang them on a hanger, and hang them sometimes on my pantry shelving. Sometimes I'll do laundry at night, and before I go to bed, I will hang up shirts on in my dining room to dry overnight. I just try not to put them directly on the furniture because it will leave spots on the furniture, the continued wet clothing on them. But I'll put them on a hanger and hang them up and let them dry overnight. And in the morning, I'll pick them up and put them away. If I put them on my shelving to dry, then I will put them away when they're dry within a few hours. And it works great because not only are the shirts hung up, but they're dry, they're not as wrinkled, and they don't get torn up in the dryer like clothing usually does. Because the dryer does rub the materials together and wear down the threads, and over time it will destroy your clothing. By not using the dryer as much, I not only save electricity, but I also maintain the integrity of the clothing we have to last us longer. And now that I'm back home for a few minutes, I'm going to do some more dishes that I have collected and stuff that I've thrown in there to continue to get ready for tomorrow. Now, if I knew I had company or something going on, I wouldn't do this. But since I know nothing's going on and I'm going to be leaving the house and running errands, I'm going to hang these shirts to dry on my china cabinet, and they'll probably be dry by this afternoon. We're home, the AC's running, and while the AC's running, things will dry inside the house. And then all we have to do is hang these shirts in the closet. No extra folding or anything else is needed. I also use the back of chairs with a hanger. And one fell. By this afternoon, these shirts will be ready to be put away in the closet, and it's all good. One of my goals on the weekends is to make sure that everything is clean and ready for the week, so that all week long we are not worried about cleaning or anything else since we're so busy with work. So on the weekends, I'll wash sheets, towels, any laundry that hasn't been done during the week, and any mopping, dusting, anything that needs to be done. I try to get it done on the weekends. Of course, any family activities or anything that is fun will take priority over cleaning. There will always be cleaning to be done and housework to be done. Family comes first before that. Socks and underwear are being dried, shirts are hung up, jeans are outside, and I'm putting in a load of towels. And right after I got this load in, I went to Sam's and Costco to pick up some things I needed. Here's a Costco grocery haul. Some Madeleine cookies, a pound cake, blueberries, strawberries, 3 bags of carrots, a bag of apples, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, cheese pizza, 2 packages of 3 bites, a belt for my husband, some bagel chips, some Scotch-Brite heavy-duty scrubbing pads, and some bananas. Also from Costco, I got 6 gallons of water, and then from Sam's, I got 6 cans of iced tea mix and 5 cases of this Faygo variety pack of sodas for our crew. Sam's, I got a number 10 can of fancy cut green beans. We've been to Costco and Sam's and back. We've had lunch, and now we're going to clean up the house a little bit to get ready for the week ahead. And laundry is still going. It's been a pretty productive day. I still have some laundry going. I laid down on the sofa and watched videos for about an hour. I just needed to rest. I'm having a snack now, and I need to, or I want to, mop the floors and pack lunch or get lunch prep for tomorrow before the day ends. So those are the things on my list, and there might be a couple others. I just can't think of anything right now. So I'm gonna eat a little bit more of my snack and continue on. And this is what I'm having for a snack. A little brie with some red chili pepper jelly. So I'm packing lunch for tomorrow, and it's gonna be hot, so I don't want anything heavy. My husband likes yogurt, I like cottage cheese. Oh goodness. I'm gonna put some wild blueberry spread on his as I make a mess. And then I like fruit on top and drizzled with honey. So these are blueberries I haven't washed. Let's just make sure there aren't any bad ones. And then I'm going to throw some strawberries in there too. These 2 have been washed. So that looks pretty good. What I'm going to do is keep them in the refrigerator and put them in a cooler in the morning. But I'm going to keep them in this basket so I know what I'm going to take. So I have the yogurt and the cottage cheese. I have a couple of these cheese and fruit packages that my husband likes and a couple brie cheeses. And I'm gonna put some other things in here as well. So I have some bagel chips, some different crackers, mismatched utensils that I need to get rid of anyway, and some Madeline cookies. And I'm going to pack this in the cooler. I have some cheese pita chips that I'm going to throw in there as well, and some steak strip, beef jerky type. For lunch, I have this bag with the things that don't need to be refrigerated. And in here I put some watermelon also. I'll put this inside the cooler tomorrow morning. Thanks again for coming along and watching and hopefully subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.